Hi, what's your name?
Hello, my name is Paul.
Nice to meet you, Paul.
Nice to meet you, Ena.
Where are you from?
I'm from England.
Oh, that's great. I'm from Canada.
That's cool. Where are you from exactly?
I live in Toronto. What about you?
I live in a small town near London.
That's nice. So, what do you do?
I'm a teacher.
Oh, you're a teacher. That's awesome.
Yes, I love my job. Teaching is fun. What about you?
I'm a student.
Oh, really? What do you study?
I study art. I love painting.
Art. That's amazing. You must be very creative.
Thank you. What about your job? Do you like it?
I really do. It's great helping students learn new things.
Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one sister. Her name is Sarah.
Oh, that's nice. What does she study?
She studies music and plays the piano.
Wow, music. That's wonderful.
What about you? Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I do. I have one brother. His name is Tom.
Is he older or younger?
He's older than me.
Nice. What about your parents?
My mother is a teacher. My father is a chef. He works in a restaurant.
A chef. That's awesome. The food must be delicious.
Yes, it is.
My mother is a writer and my father is a doctor.
Wow, that's wonderful. You have a creative family too. Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a dog. His name is Max. He's small, brown, and very friendly.
A dog? That's so cute. You have a pet too?
Yes, I have a cat. Her name is Luna. She's black and white and very sleepy.
Considering that there's a lot of content you didn't provide, a full first episode script can't be created, but I can generate the second part of the script based on the part for Paul. Here is the completed script for the second part. Paul speaks first in this part, and you can see how your voice would be responsive to his.
My favorite food is pizza. I like vegetable pizza with tomatoes and onions.
My favorite color is green. What about you?
My favorite color is blue, like the sky.
I love that. Blue and green, perfect combo. My favorite animal is a cat.
I like to listen to rock music, and I play soccer with my friends on weekends.
Oh, you play soccer. That's cool. I also love watching animated movies. What kind of movies do you like?
Comedy. Me too. I love to laugh.
What's something you don't like?
I don't like olives.
Really? I like olives.
We're different again.
I don't like waking up early.
Oh, same here. I love my sleep.
Yes, sleep is very important. It's so fun learning about you, Paul. Thank you for sharing.
It's been great talking with you, Ena.
And to our listeners, don't forget to subscribe to Miss English AI.
Yes, subscribe, like, and keep practicing English with us.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye-bye, everyone.